mother. Yeah. And me, blood clot say that. Man, I run no joke with you. Me never force you and take your money out of your blood clot pocket. When you give me the money, you did have a motive. You see me? You did definitely know what you do. You understand? So anything you say that me say, you're so cool. Your mama dash for your blood clots. Yeah. Your mother didn't know what she did have in her hand. I'm not lie to you. You want these people pitney, but you don't want nobody blood clot this year. Good morning. There is a waste blood clot condom. That you is. There is a waste motherfucking condom. Your mother should have dashed you in a blood clot garbage pan. And that my blood clot say. Don't this my blood clot pitney. You understand? You see, on this on a bias no blood clot and I don't care. You don't want protect certain people in your life. But me, when you come around and say you're my blood clot friend, you see me? And you rate blood clot honey, you don't want slaughter my blood clot own, my belly blood clot pain. Eh? And you continue to do that. Bro, I don't give a fuck what una say so. I don't give a fuck what una say. You see me? No found out some local wicked people, no waste. Some hypocrites. You understand me? This blood clot hypocrite boy go on blood go on Debo. Debo. And go on Debo blood clot live. Right? Hold on there. Hold on there. Come have control of this. Bro. You could never blood clot rate me. I'm not lie to you. Yeah, me day here, baby. Me I look for your humbly, so I'm not joke with no blood clot, waste blood clot, lick body, suck bars, blood clot boy. Jayden mouth big enough for him can hold 3 to 4 blood clot cock. Yeah. When I run no joke with blood clot, Jayden. Me no care who want be biased pan what. Just like how you can diss blood clot you. There is a deep throat blood clot suck cocky boy. You fetish no blood clot. You have a right why Father God see I do. Yo, make me ease up. I swear because if me have to know me I do because certain people know this me no want this them bro. You see me? At least me carry me you them and me struggle with them. What your mama do with you? You was a mistake. You bumbo clad, boast by your crown. Me not frightened for your blood clot car. You live in a A, B and blood clot B. Me happy with what me I do. And that me a blood clot tell you. At least me satisfied with my blood clot life. Alright. Me not beg your blood clot nothing. And don't call me blood clot phone. And that me I tell you, I'm a block you. I'm a block you for blood clot TikTok too. So that's the thing there. Stop, call me youth name. Short some of my water for me. Tree. I wanna do wash your care? Boy, you want back blood clot money. Look at you. Come take blood clot money and come pop style. Come take money and dip on social media pop style pan people blood clot name. Me know you suck cock better than me. Me know you goggle balls better than blood clot me. Boy, where blood clot actually use a makeup brush and blood clot widen out your body. There's a little shit in a plate, drunk crow, alligator. Your chrome no blood clot, you come go on like your things. Your forehead big no blood clot. Look like them do skating pan it. Look on your nose. Sweet pepper blood clot, big nose. You come talk about my mouth stink. Remember say your name from a drunk crow, you clean the blood clot plate. Who is blood clot you? Remember say we drink off of the same blood clot cup. Bumbo clot, batty blood clot, Jayden. Yeah. Shiba the blood clot side chick. Where you look ticky blood clot man. Drunk crow. Who is you? You could have a blood clot world. You're not this my blood clot pitney. And that my blood clot. So you must know about my tongue because you suck it out dog shit. You must know about my blood clot tongue. Hypocrite. You is a blood clot hypocrite. You can't style anybody you want blood clot style. You don't want nobody tell about your mother, but you want to tell people about their mother. I want you come back, blood. Hey, come back me down. Out that tapping in your blood clot belly. You don't even know who me. Eh? My head no good, no blood clot. In your blood clot face, you crazy? But wait for no boy. I was stepping in your blood clot neck. You come talk about box down. Box down, oh! Where? When? Which blood clot here? Another blood clot one here. Wait, look a bit till me get older. Me know that blood clot all. Right in your blood clot neck, pussy. Are you lanky in your blood clots? And weak, so look for you. The fattest part of your blood clot belly for your young boy. I be a waste in your blood clot belly from your obia man. Move your blood clot self and go. Me pick you up. The energy is all about you and your blood clot obia man. And no found now use that. Hey, God. Hold your blood clot self, Annie. Jayden, don't play with me. Don't play with me. Tell you, you know, me give thanks what a person do to me. Give to me, you know. All of the blessing where a person give to me, I give thanks. But you see, when you come take advantage of what you do for me, and you come in my life, and instead of you try to come in my life for better because you see that I'm a struggling person, and hear me I try. I'm not going to stop blood clot try. Eh? Not a beat a blood clot try than a bumbo clot failure. You hear me I tell you? What you a go? Me not beg you a night blood clot dinner. You live a Airbnb order blood clot food. You not have a family life. There's nothing better than family. Why you a blood clot go bumbo clot drunk crow? Bun blood clot dog? Bumbo clot big drummer roach cockroach? Why you go? What the fuck you go? Look like Camille swell your blood clot belly. Eh? You're taking more ear more than blood clot way. Look for your big old blood clot nose. Eh? I should have lived in a that. It big enough. Good blood clot apartment. Where you go, dog? Hey. Nah, lie no, Jayden. You look like a wharf blood clot dog. The one them from down at the wharf. It bigger than your blood clot body. Look uncontrollable. Look like when that's why your mama run left your blood clot. You upset her blood clot stomach. Who is you? And you run come with Debo. You run come with blood clot. Debo! Every time me have to say it, anytime I see the bumbo clot girl, Debo. You run and come with blood clot, Debo. You is a Satan. You is a motherfucking Satan. You there on TikTok. You can't do good, you know. You can't do good, you know. You know me know say you want to look up pussy. One day me there, we call the place a Mandeville, right? I may go to the same, you know, D. I'm come so boobs me there in the KFC, right? And be a school picnic draw down. Honey, be a picture me I take with them. Zin? And you know so the kids them a beg me, the whole of the kids them, Jayden. I beg me. Just to call you, just to see you on the phone. I'm come so Roops and Joe the phone, teacher. Did they? They want to see you. Right? And boom, so when I come son, put up a phone and show the kids them you and everybody excitement. Excited. Pussy, your blood clot, hang up a phone. You're going like you're better than blood clot people. You hang up the blood clot phone. Well, all of the people them did they excited for you. You can do good things, great blood clot things. You come in a person's life and make a difference. And that's why me hang on so fucking long. Me never did put you with my daughter. All of the style where you come with. And even if you don't want her, why would you disrespect her like that and continue to disrespect her? You even got to blood clot Debo. Big pussy blood clot ranking old share. Stinking blood clot, selfish mode share. Debo looking blood clot share. The dude. You got to. And can't me pick the name to blood clot that. I made that the blood clot drunk or fuck out, done out. Slap blood clot out. I disrespect me pitney. Which part you could have rate me, Jay? Which part you could have rate me? Or you could have loved me? Me don't want to fuck you. You just do something good for me. And from that, me rate you. Before that, me even did rate you from your either with Alphabi, bro. Me rate you before even that. But me see how you come out for me when nobody on TikTok come out for me, bro. You see me? And you come this blood clot me, youth. Bro, I want your man go suck your mother again. Anyway you see me run on. Anyway you see me, I go come back off my life and cool down because I know how I stay. And you know my blood clot temper. Mother, that's why you just take joke and run up in my face. I swear. That'd be the wrong thing you ever do. I fight for my penny to the ends of the blood clot earth. And that me I tell you. You see what you do? You know what you do, you know. But you don't like nobody bumbo clot called Fabian name. But you put a blood clot name on my pitney and glue upon it. You chat my blood clot youth. You see me? And a family relationship. But at the end of the day, you never did have to do that. You never did have to do that. I'm gonna respect that for no blood clot woman. No woman will skin out them pussy and give it to you, drunk crow. A whole heap of time, I say woman come check you. Even the Rasta girl will come check you down a blood clot jabbers. Have your fucking blood clot woman and do what you have to do, you just come out, come glue about the youth. And people are going to talk about you young, you this, you that. Brother, I'm not give you no blood clot respect on this. You hear me I tell you? I'm not look blood clot, nothing me just I tell you the truth. I'm not give you no respect for fucking this. You see one I think me I go say to you, bro. You say your mother end up dash your way. I left you as orphan home. Your mother left you. You did supposed to know. This supposed to make you know how to treat a woman right. What happened to you in the past, bro? This supposed to make you treat a woman right, bro. This not give you right for disrespect woman them type of way, yeah. I'm not care if nobody no one understand me. It is just the truth. What you got through, it make you better in life. Me got through Wally. My mother dash me away, bro. My mother dash me away. And when me hear your story, I swear to you, that's the reason why I have something about you and I know say you're great blood clotness. You're greatness. Because you come from when you're a big blood clot Perry, a lion. Everybody are pre you. And you conquer the blood clot place, youth. You don't know how much me youth them rate you and watch up on TikTok and jump up for you. So when people say them rate you, it's just not about getting $500. It's see how you conquer it.